Okay, welcome back to this video number, I think is two, and this WAP program, that is Digital Skills Workshops and Bootcamps. In this program, we are going to take you through on how you see our various programs, workshops available with us here. Okay, so as I said in the previous class video, and I said we have the platform. Our platform is on this link. Okay, here we can copy it here and head over to our browser here. Okay, the link has already opened here with us here. Look at this WAP.ng. So this is a program. So look at my screen very well. You can see we have the bootcamps are here, and we have workshops also here. So anyone we want to see, let's start with workshops. So you can see we have different workshops. They are categorized into this one digital literacy workshops. Those people who are starting with computer and at this time. So if you look at this, you see some of them application is closed, and you see some of them if you details, and then this one application is open, and all these ones application are closed for now. For now, this program is what we are scheduled to handle maybe in the next 1 month. Okay, the application is closed as it's open at this time, and you can apply. So if you look at this, you see Microsoft Word for document automations. So you learn how to automate a repeated task. There are some tasks that you don't need to be doing them times and over again in Microsoft Word. For example, you want to type a letter with the heading of somebody, maybe 5 people, or for example, you want to write a letter as a teacher or headmaster or whatever. You want to write a letter to people, parents, and you want that letter parent name to appear on top of the letter there, and that task, if you have 100 students, you need to create a different letter, print it, and then put another name, print it, and put another, print it, and that nature. So in this case, now this is a repetitive task. So in Microsoft Word, there are a lot of features which will allow you to automate this task instead of doing them one after the other. You do it once. So, for example, you can apply it to admission, and you can apply it to whatever. So, apart from that, you can see we have a cybersecurity workshop and cybersecurity awareness and best practice workshop here, and then so look at it here. You have review and a lot of things like that. Okay, here. So practice. This will gain understanding on a common cyber threat and the best practice to protect your devices and your computer or data or whatever. So that is that workshop, and you learn the description here. If you click on here, you see more detail about that workshop. I will do that next time. So data management workshop here, we have data management. In this workshop, you'll be introduced to database and different types of database management system. Then the learner learn how to use Microsoft Access to create and manage database, streamline data, and generate reports. By the end of the workshop, you'll be able to understand the concept of principles of databases and how the database work. So if you want to learn how to do a database, why is database is used to create a record on for a business for that can be retrieved anytime you want to retrieve them. Okay, for example, you have a shop and then you're doing transaction every day. So maybe the particular day you want to very fast to record. Okay, maybe I want to know what is my transaction last month. So in that case, you have to create a database and store all the record inside. So if you want to know about that, head over to this workshop here to teach you all what you need to know about that. And we have automations and programming. We have web design workshop. Just 5 days. You learn some basic of CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Okay. So communication skills. We also have open social media for professional development workshop. A lot of people doesn't have an idea of social media, doesn't have too much understanding on social media. Social media is not is a platform, is platforms. So many platforms are there with different purposes and connections, professional development, branding, sharing, a lot of things like that. Product advertisement. There are different social media you can use. Seeking for job. There are also another social media for use. Okay, so in this one, I'll teach you courses, teach you participant how to leverage, how to use a social media platform for a networking and professional development, how to develop your profession. I am a computer scientist. I want to develop my profession. I want to meet with other people in computer science and share ideas, develop my connections, and develop my professional and stuff like that. So this one will teach you how to do that also. Apart from that, we have graphic design. In the graphic design, we have workshop like logo design, branding. If you take your time and go through them, and you understand them. So mastering fly and brochure first the design and okay. Then design business card, infographic, and data visualization. Design in Canva, then photo editing, then retouching. A lot of workshops are here. Yes, but only one is open for it. For what we're going to do for this time. Yes, but if the other one, maybe you can play a request for us so that we can see what we can do in order to make it available. So computer engineering, we also have computer engineering master. The one that is available in computer engineering is this mastering system optimization. How do you optimize your system? How do you make your system perform better? So boosting the performance through clean up defragmentations and tuning. So these are 3 tricks you learn in this in order to make your computer work faster than it worked before. It's really a lot of issues. As long as you are using a computer, you realize that. So now let's just open click on one, see how they look like, and let's see how to apply it. If you open it here, they will ask you to sign up here, and if you sign up, they will ask you to sign up. You can see, let me see, I think this web online here, I think I have maybe this one. So if you don't have the sign up, you can, so you see the wrong password, so maybe I cannot remember my password, but I think I can have this one here, so I think I can remember this one here. So you see that after successfully signing in, so if you don't have the sign up, you can go to log in and registration and then sign up there. Okay, so and look at the content, look at the schedules here. Mastering, this is the description of the workshop, and this is what to do in the workshop. Then we have the topic in the 1, understanding of computer performance. You understand it. And then the 2, teach you disk cleanup and storage management. The 3, you learn disk defragmentation and automation. And the 4, startup program and service management. And then in performance tuning and the 5, that is all. So and you can come here and you can proceed to make payment and then you can choose you want to do it online or you want to do it physical. It's up to you. So which language do you like? Do you understand more and you want us to use it during the training? And morning, afternoon was your preferred time. If you have coupon you can put your coupon code, then click apply here. So when you click apply here, you successfully register. So it may take you to, maybe let's assume you don't have a coupon, I want to make a payment. I can click on here. It will take me to a place where I can make my payment. Okay. Make my payment is you're mastering this and that, and this is the payment including the charges that were applied there. Then you can put your card, and if you don't want to use card, you can use your USSD or bank transfer or any other method, but we prefer for you to use card method here, and then put your card 16 digit of card, and give a dates and PCB and CVV, and then you click pay, and the money will get out from your account, and you don't have to do anything here, and it will be directly completely back to application, and then the application will say you have registered successfully. So after picking payment, you have registered successfully, then you can come back to the dashboard and start seeing what is in there. So you can sign out here, and you can sign out here. And for those who did not have login detail, they can do the same process again. And let me come back to workshop. This one has not loaded yet. Okay. So maybe the network is somehow and the computer process. So you can come back here and you click in here. In case of if you don't have login detail, you can click register now here. Look at this coming up. Okay, look at this. Register now. Register here. You can click on it. It will take you to where you can register now, obtain your login detail here. This is sign up. You've got your name, phone number. The phone number probably the one you're doing WhatsApp with, and then because you'll be entering WhatsApp group and whatever you can. So that is how you can use the workshop and then apply for it. Okay, depending on what you read the instruction very well, and you need if you still have issue on understanding it, you can also call our number, and then we also assist you on how you can go about that, or on even how you can choose which workshop resource to choose, and you do it. So we'll meet in the next video where we are going to show you how to navigate through the various bootcamps we have, and then learn, choose the one you want, and then apply for it. Okay, thank you for watching.